Hi, this is Stacy from Stacy Rabbit Jewelry Designs. I am very excited to be here today with something new from the Bead Obsession Great Beads. They have launched a findings box, and I want to show you the February findings box. It is filled with chain and charms and spacers and clasps, all kinds of really cool stuff to make jewelry with. Shown here is a beaded chain, and it is these are 6 by 8 millimeter crystal AB. You can just see the sparkle on those beautiful beads with a bronze beaded chain. I think this is a beautiful chain. It would be great for finishing off a necklace with. You could even wear it on its own. And it is 39.3 inches, so you get a sizable amount of chain here. This findings box includes 4 really cool charms this month. The first that I want to share, which is one of my favorites, is this dainty fleur-de-lis. It has these little pave cubic zirconia rhinestones in it. This piece is also gold-plated brass. It really is a very nice little charm. I can never resist a bee, and this has some of those little cubic zirconia rhinestones on it. It's a beautiful little bee charm. And then maybe the star of the show is this big 38 by 35 millimeter mixed metal plated brass Roman coin. This is really a big, substantial, high quality piece right here. And then I think this one is my favorite. This is a daisy charm. It's 18 karat gold plated stainless steel, and it has blue enamel, which matches my nails just about today. So lots of really fun charms included in this box. This month's box comes with these very pretty, they have a nice finish on them. And they are 6 by 4 millimeter long-lasting gold-plated rondelles. And I really just like the look of these. They're very, very sparkly. I was super excited that Jamie included my favorite spacers from her. These are 4 millimeter long-lasting gold-plated iron round spacer beads. I have used these before from Jamie, and they are the best quality, the longest lasting gold spacers. And I absolutely adore them. I highly, highly recommend them to anyone. This month's box comes with 6 millimeter antique bronze bead caps. And I want to show a couple of these in a little more detail. They're a beautiful kind of like floral looking little bead cap, and they're really very pretty. I think they'd look great in a lot of different designs. The February box comes with a couple of clasps. They are all fold over style clasps, which I have never used before and was quite interested in and fascinated with. You actually just open them right here, and they kind of click when you get them. They're really sturdy, and so I think these would be great for a nicer piece that you want to make sure you don't lose. There's also a second clasp included, and it's this gold one here. It has the pave rhinestones that are cubic zirconia. It's really a dainty and beautiful little piece. I really do look forward to trying these and kind of seeing how they work in designs. Maybe they'll be my new go-to. Thank you for joining me as I unbox the February findings box from the Bead Obsession. This is a beautiful box filled with fun findings, and they are all great quality and absolutely beautiful. Happy designing.